Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will how install Discord on laptop. To get started, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Here, click Download for Windows. Wait for it to be downloaded. When the download is complete, click on the file and click Run. As you can see, the installation process will be carried out, which includes downloading the updates. When finished, Steam will open. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.